very few Indian doctors at high position in the UK's NHS. Non-white doctors are assessed unfairly while looking for one to become specialist. Glamorous specialization like cardiology, ophthalmology, surgery, pediatrics all go to European doctors. Non-white doctors in consultancy positions are often overlooked while conferring merit awards. Awful working condition for doctor under NHS. This is what it is claimed. Also, we have two professionals from British Medical Association and British Association of Physicians of Indian origin. What are they saying? There are huge problems. Working condition in UK for doctor have deteriorated a hell of a lot. It is not as good as what people think. There are not many Indian doctors at a very high position in UK. Another doctor is raising a concern. If you are a white UK trained doctor, pass rate of PG exam is 98%. But if you are from India, the pass rate is 34%. So what they are saying is the biasness, the racism, and the concern which they have. So this is the reason. If you just Google very randomly UK, NHS, and the problems associated with it very regularly. We are in 2020. In fact, now it's 2021. And still UK charges dugna lagan, double tax if you are an Indian doctor. That is the problem. Moreover, there are Indian doctors who are settled in UK for like more than almost 3 to 4 decades. They have written articles in the British Medical Journal, right? So this is also a biggest concern. So if you kind of Google, you will realize that Indian doctors who have practiced for so many years, they are writing articles of what kind of deep-rooted issue is with regards to racism. I can read it here, but if you see what they are trying to tell you, what kind of racial abuse and the issues are happening, that the doctor have to write an article in the British Medical Journal. A doctor from Visakhapatnam is talking about that. So my point is, why do you want to consider a career in a country where you are not being respected for your talent? Okay? Because recently there was some news and everybody got excited and there was a mass hysteria created. Why? Because somebody shared on Facebook that people are getting full registration if you pass a USMLE examination. Yes, this is true. There is no problem with you getting a registration. But what after that? Are there any jobs? Are there a guarantee of visa? Are there a PG pathway guarantee? It does not look like at this point of time. Until and unless the UKBA and NHS work together and things are more transparent the way it happened in US. Why? Because I will tell you, it is not that the UK, all the seats were getting full in UK earlier. Oh, sorry, there were vacancies. It is not the case. There is a assumption that people will get seats and all those things, which is not true. Because if you see the 2020 match ratio, everywhere they have clearly said for every seat there are more than 2 people applying. Even the localites are not able to fill the seats. How can they accommodate international students? So if you are thinking to do PG, please see the reality. How many people are applying and how many seats are available? What are your chances? Genuine chances. So just don't get carried away by these messages, and because many of them do that so that they want to decrease the competition of USMLE. Nothing else. Okay.